Hello everyone, I am Babita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about how to speak English on any topic confidently. So you watch this video till the end because in this video, I will entirely as well as easily explain about it. So without further delay, let's begin the video. Here, I would say you have to pay attention on few points that I'm going to tell you. Those points are most significant for you all. That's why you must watch this video till the end. If you watch this video till the end, means completely, you will get different types of knowledge from this video. It means that this video is going to very wonderful for you all. Okay, so let's see what are those points. Those points will really help you too much to speak English on any topic confidently as well as fluently. Let's see what are those points. Point number one is that what to speak, as well as point number two is that how to speak. If you are going to speak English on any topic, so there you have to firstly notice first thing what to speak. It means that you have to speak something in front of your audience, your students, your teachers. Okay, if you have chosen one topic which is on Mother Teresa, okay, your topic is based on Mother Teresa or in India's population. Okay, so this is good, but firstly you have to pay attention on this topic. Firstly, you have to prepare about your topic. You should be confirmed about your topic. Means, what will I speak in front of my audience, my principal, my manager, my teachers, my students? Firstly, you have to imagine about your topic. What will I speak English? You have to scan everything from the Mother Teresa's topic as well as you can say India's population. Okay, so you have to notice more things from your topic. First is what to speak, means when did Mother Teresa born? Yeah, why are India's population increasing? What is the main purpose of India's population? What should I do to control India's population? If you do not imagine, guys, you will be not capable to speak on any topic confidently as well as fluently in front of your audience, teachers, people, means anybody, how much you have thought about your topic. Okay, it does matter. If you have prepared about your topic properly, so you will be definitely capable to speak English on any topic confidently as well as fluently. I hope you have understood about this first topic. I speak whatever I am going in my daily life or whatever I used in my past days. If you don't have confidence in English speaking, you can't speak English. But if you don't have confidence, it's okay. But you should build confidence in yourself. Here I would say how to speak English. There are many things in it. There are many things you can say, there are many points in it. You have to pay attention on these points that I'm going to tell you. Let's see what are the points. First point is fear, and second point is hesitation, and third point is shame, and fourth point is confidence, and fifth point is fluctuation, and sixth point is way to explain. Guys, why did I tell you 6 points? You have to do work on these 6 points very well. If you will work on these 6 points very well, you will be automatically capable to speak English on any topic. It is not difficult, but it will be easy when you will work on these points. Means not only these points, you have to pay attention on the first point is what to speak and second is how to speak, and I told you 6 points. You have to control your fear before speaking English. Okay, you have to pay attention firstly before speaking English. It means that you have determined that I have to speak English on my topic confidently as well as fluently. So it's okay. So you don't fear. Okay, because you are going to complete your work. You are going to give presentation in front of your teachers, principal, manager, audience, anybody. Okay, and second is hesitation. If you have controlled your fear, so now you have to control your hesitation. If you are thinking, how will I speak English? If I will make mistakes, people will laugh at me, audience will laugh at me, teachers will laugh at me. No, guys, you don't worry. And third is shame. English is not our mother tongue language. English is not our regional language. English is not our national language, state language. Okay, as well as we don't always speak English. We have not been speaking English since childhood. That's why we feel shame while speaking English or before going to speak English. And the next point is confidence plays most important role in speaking. Show your confidence while speaking English in front of your audience, your teachers, your principal, manager, people, anybody. Now I am going to tell about fluctuation means utar chadhav. If you are speaking English, you have to fluctuate in your voice. It means that you have to ups and downs of your voice. Means you can speak English. Hi everyone. Today I am going to tell about, means this is your confidence. Here you are raising your voice. And now I am going to tell about way to explain. So firstly, before going to give presentation, you have to build this thing in yourself. How will I make my audience understand? Here, I would tell you, you have to explore as much as possible you can. These points are depend on your capacity. These points will extremely help you. If you have understood about my all points, so you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.